Hey guys, Jesse and Humble Crowd Spawn. Today I want to talk about clarity in our paint protection film. So we install a brand called ULTRAFIT. ULTRAFIT is a South Korean brand that I love because it is thick enough to protect from damage, but it is clear enough to look beautiful as well. So let me go up next to this Escalade. Look at that clarity, you guys. Barely any texture at all. Almost OEM-like, right? But one thing that is really important too with clarity is color. So sometimes paint protection film brands, they can have a little bit of a yellow hue. So you put it on a white car, especially partial, you can definitely tell which part has PPF and which part doesn't, because on white cars, it'll look like really warm, almost slightly yellow. But if you look at, so this right here does not have any PPF. This right here has our ULTRAFIT. And if you look side by side, they are very close. Now this is fresh. You might be saying, Jesse, this is fresh PPF. What does it look like when it's a little older? Well, we have a returning client here for a little bit of maintenance work. And so same package, full front end PPF, and the back end is ceramic coated. You look at the difference in the panel. Check that out, right? Like nice and clear. This is the PPF side, and there's hardly any difference in the finish. It's looking fantastic.